Happy weekend to you. So April is Financial Literacy Month, and since I'm a mortgage loan officer, that's what we get to talk about today. So I'm pretty excited about this. The Council of Economic Education has some really inspiring leaders and entrepreneurs that share some of their best tips and hashtag my savings tip. And I pulled 3 of them for you today. Number 1, treat your financing like flossing and do it every day. And if you don't floss every day like I do, because I'm a flossing addict, at least brush your teeth every day, right? And so treat your finances like brushing your teeth at the very least. According to Carrie Schwab, who is the investing legend's daughter, Charles Schwab, she says it's important not to procrastinate and to work to save 10% of your income. Start by putting 10% away, she says, and you'll be a very wealthy individual in years to come. Number 2 tip is find the credit card that's right for you. I found this to be very interesting. I didn't realize how important it is. But there's things like various interest rates and different rewards. Some credit cards have no rewards at all. Others have high rewards for travel, while others have great rewards for different cards like at Lowe's or Home Depot. The key is to find the credit card that's right for you and look for things like annual fees, and are there annual fees and how much are they, and what the interest rate is going to be. And choose your credit card wisely, because some might be wanting to build credit, and there's credit builders for sure in credit cards as well. And the 3rd tip for today is wherever possible, wherever you're paying interest, is to choose a biweekly payment option. It helps you to pay your loans off faster without feeling that financial crunch each month. And here's how it works. You can do this on things like auto loans, student loans, your mortgage. You make a payment every other week instead of once a month, so there's 26 times you make a half a payment. Divided by 2, that's 13 payments over the course of the year, causing you to make 1 extra payment a year. And for those items that are compounded daily, what happens is that half payment that you make early, you will end up paying that interest quicker. That will then combust or consolidate that interest even more, allowing you to pay that loan off faster. So Benjamin Franklin, Benny Ben, who is on our $100 bill, once said, an investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. This is Dawn Symington from Mortgage One, and happy Financial Literacy Month to you.